Are you ready to help shape a better world? Have you ever wondered how we can create a more harmonious reality for everyone? These questions are at the heart of an exciting shift happening right now: the rise of the new Earth. In this video, we'll explore what this means and how each of us can play a part in co-creating a brighter future. Our world faces many challenges today, from environmental issues to social inequality, from political tensions to economic uncertainties. It's clear that change is needed. But what kind of change, and how can we bring it about? These are the questions we'll tackle as we dive into the concept of the new Earth. The new Earth isn't a physical place. It's a new way of living and being. It's about creating a world where people live in harmony with each other and with nature. It's a reality where compassion, understanding, and cooperation are the norm, not the exception. This might sound like a dream, but it's a vision that's gaining momentum across the globe. To understand how we can create this new Earth, we need to grasp the power of collective consciousness. This is the idea that our thoughts, beliefs, and actions don't just affect us as individuals. They ripple out and influence the world around us. When we change our inner world, we change our outer world too. Think about it like this: our shared thoughts and beliefs create the reality we experience. If we collectively believe that conflict is inevitable, we'll see conflict everywhere. But if we shift our perspective and believe in the possibility of peace, we open the door to new solutions and ways of living together. This shift in perspective is key to co-creating the new Earth. It's about moving from fear to love, from separation to connection. It's about seeing the world not as a place of scarcity and competition, but as a place of abundance and cooperation. This change in outlook can transform how we relate to others and to our planet. But how do we make this shift? It starts with personal growth. By working on ourselves, we contribute to the positive change we want to see in the world. Self-reflection is a powerful tool in this process. Take time each day to check in with yourself. How are you feeling? What thoughts are you having? Are these thoughts helping you or holding you back? Developing empathy and compassion is another crucial step. Try to see things from other people's perspectives. Listen to understand, not just to respond. When we cultivate these qualities, we naturally create more harmonious relationships and communities. Speaking of communities, they play a vital role in the rise of the new Earth. Local action can have a global impact. Look for ways to connect with others in your area who share your vision for a better world. This could be through community projects, local initiatives, or simply by being a good neighbor. Building stronger communities isn't just about human connections, though. It's also about our relationship with the natural world. Sustainable living practices are essential for the new Earth. This doesn't mean you have to completely overhaul your life overnight. Start small. Maybe it's choosing reusable bags instead of plastic ones, or eating more plant-based meals. Every eco-friendly choice contributes to the bigger picture. Technology, when used mindfully, can be a powerful tool in co-creating the new Earth. It allows us to connect with like-minded people across the globe, share ideas, and coordinate efforts. Social media, for example, can be used to spread positivity and raise awareness about important issues. Online platforms can facilitate distance learning and the exchange of sustainable practices. However, it's important to use technology in a balanced way. While it can bring us together, it can also create division if we're not careful. Use it as a tool for connection and positive change, not as an escape from reality or a source of negativity. As we work towards the new Earth, it's important to remember the ripple effect of our actions. Even small positive changes can lead to big results over time. Think of it like dropping a pebble in a pond. The ripples spread out far beyond the initial splash. Your actions, no matter how small they might seem, can inspire others and create a chain reaction of positive change. Of course, this path isn't always easy. We'll face obstacles and setbacks. There will be times when negativity seems overwhelming, when it feels like nothing is changing. During these moments, it's crucial to stay motivated and remember why we're doing this. One way to stay motivated is to connect with others who share your vision. Share your struggles and successes. Learn from each other. Remember that you're not alone in this. There are people all over the world working towards the same goal. Another helpful practice is to visualize the new Earth. What does a harmonious world look like to you? How does it feel to live in balance with others and with nature? Let yourself really experience this vision. The more real it feels to you, the more motivated you'll be to make it a reality. Visualization isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's a powerful tool for manifestation. When we hold a clear vision of what we want to create, we're more likely to notice opportunities to bring it into reality. We make decisions that align with that vision. We inspire others with our clarity and conviction. So what does the new Earth look like? It's a world where people treat each other with kindness and respect, regardless of differences. It's a world where we live in harmony with nature, taking only what we need and giving back to the earth. It's a world where everyone has access to clean water, nutritious food, quality education, and health care. In the new Earth, work is meaningful and fulfilling. People have time for creativity, for connection, for rest. Communities are strong, supportive, and diverse. Technology serves humanity rather than the other way around. Decisions are made with consideration for the well-being of all, not just a select few. This might sound utopian, but remember, the new Earth isn't a perfect world. It's a world where we approach problems with compassion, creativity, and cooperation. It's a world where we see challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. Creating this new Earth isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process, and it starts with each one of us, right here, right now. So what can you do today to start co-creating this more harmonious reality? Start by being more mindful in your daily life. Pay attention to your thoughts and actions. Are they aligned with the world you want to create? Practice kindness, not just to others, but to yourself as well. Kindness is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Look for ways to reduce your environmental impact. This could be as simple as using a reusable water bottle or turning off lights when you leave a room. Every small action counts. Educate yourself about the issues facing our world, but don't stop there. Look for solutions. What are people doing to address these issues? How can you support or contribute to these efforts? Connect with your community. This could be your neighborhood, your town, or online communities that share your values. Look for ways to contribute to make a positive difference. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good in your life and in the world. Gratitude shifts our focus from what's wrong to what's right, from what's lacking to what we have. Cultivate peace in your own life. This doesn't mean avoiding conflict. It means learning to deal with conflict in a constructive way. Practice active listening. Try to understand others' perspectives, even when you disagree. Take care of your physical and mental health. The new Earth needs you at your best. This means eating well, getting enough sleep, exercising, and finding healthy ways to manage stress. Explore practices that help you connect with your inner wisdom. This could be meditation, prayer, time in nature, or whatever works for you. The more connected you are to your true self, the more authentic and powerful your contributions to the world will be. Share your vision of the new Earth with others, not in a preachy way, but through your actions and your way of being. Be the change you want to see in the world. Creating the new earth isn't about being perfect. It's about being authentic, being willing to learn and grow, and doing your best to contribute positively to the world around you. The new earth is a vision of a more harmonious reality that we're all co-creating. It's based on the understanding that our thoughts and actions collectively shape our world. By shifting our perspective from fear to love, from separation to connection, we can begin to create positive change. Personal growth, sustainable living, building strong communities, and mindful use of technology are all important aspects of co-creating the new earth. Remember the ripple effect. Even small positive actions can lead to big changes over time. Visualizing the new earth helps us stay motivated and aligned with our goals. It's a world of kindness, respect, and harmony with nature, a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Creating this new reality starts with each of us, right here, right now. By being mindful, practicing kindness, reducing our environmental impact, connecting with our communities, and taking care of ourselves, we contribute to the rise of the new earth. So, are you ready to be part of this exciting shift? Are you ready to co-create a more harmonious reality? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. What step will you take today towards creating the new earth? Your actions matter, your thoughts matter, your vision matters. Together, we can create a world that works for everyone, a world of peace, sustainability, and shared prosperity. A world where we live in harmony with each other and with our beautiful planet. This is the promise of the new earth, and it's not just a dream. It's a reality we're creating together, day by day, choice by choice. So let's make those choices count. Let's create a future we're excited to live in. Let's rise to the challenge and the opportunity of co-creating the new earth. The future's not set in stone. It's shaped by our collective choices and actions. What kind of future do you want to create? The power is in your hands. Let's make it happen, together. Take a moment to imagine the world you want to live in. Feel the joy, the peace, the sense of possibility. Now carry that feeling with you as you go about your day. Let it inform your choices, your interactions, your way of being in the world. You are a co-creator of the new earth. Your contribution is unique and valuable. Trust in your ability to make a positive difference, because you can and you are with every choice you make. Your attention, your openness, and your willingness to be part of this global shift. The new earth is rising, and you are an essential part of its creation. Let's continue this important work individually and collectively as we move towards a more harmonious reality for all. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us. It's something we create together. So let's create a future we're proud of, a future that honors all life, a future that reflects the best of who we are as human beings. The rise of the new earth is not just a possibility. It's a movement that's already underway, and you're part of it. So go forth with confidence, with hope, and with the knowledge that your efforts, no matter how small they may seem, are contributing to a better world for all. Being open to these ideas and for being willing to be part of the solution. The world needs your unique gifts, your vision, your energy, so shine your light brightly and watch as it illuminates the path to the new earth. As you go about your day, keep this vision of the new earth in your heart. Let it guide your actions, your words, your thoughts, because every moment is an opportunity to co-create this new reality. Every interaction is a chance to bring more harmony into the world. Remember, the new Earth isn't a distant dream. It's a reality we're creating right now in this moment through our choices and actions. So choose wisely, act with love, and trust in the power of our collective efforts to create positive change. As we end this video, take a deep breath and feel the potential within you to be a force for positive change. You have everything you need to contribute to the rise of the new Earth. Trust in your abilities, believe in the power of collective action, and know that every step you take towards creating a more harmonious reality makes a difference. Thank you for your time, your attention, and your commitment to creating a better world. The journey to the new Earth continues, and you are an essential part of it. Let's move forward together with hope, with determination, and with the knowledge that we have the power to co-create a more harmonious reality for all.